Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-nominated artist TVJ continues to blaze stages worldwide. The artist is currently embarked on his second leg of his North American tour with Revolution. The tour, which kicked off on July 31, saw TVJ performing in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, New York, Atlanta, among others. The tour will conclude on September 1 in California. Lila Ike, one of reggae's most talked about emerging singers, joined him on tour in Atlanta, as well as Santa Cruz and San Diego. TVJ landed his first Grammy nomination for his fourth album, A Matter of Time, in the Best Reggae Album category. He has since been featured in Rolling Stone, Vogue, and Paper magazines, and has made his U.S. television debut. Since his album, he recruited fellow Jamaican comrade agent Sasco along with Lila Ike for the latest call-to-action single, Not Another Word. The video has secured close to 1 million views on YouTube. TVJ has also been introducing new talent from his label and management company Indignation Collective to the musical scene. Bond. James Bond. The long-awaited title of the next James Bond film has finally been released. The announcement was made on Tuesday on Twitter via the James Bond account. The 25th official James Bond movie will be called, get this, No Time to Die. The movie will see Daniel Craig playing 007 for the fifth and final time. No Time to Die will be released on April 3 in the UK and on April 8 in the United States. International dancehall artist Sean Paul and his wife Jody Henriquez, Jinx, have welcomed a new baby to their family. Jinx made the announcement to her over 42,000 followers on Instagram early Tuesday morning. Remily Henriquez was the caption placed on the photo of Jinx and her newborn baby girl in the Instagram story. Remily is the second child for the married couple who tied the knot back in 2012. They're already parents to 2-year-old son Levi Blaze. Now, rapper Meek Mill is gearing up to embark on his Legendary Nights tour. The Philly rapper will kick things off on the 21st and will be making stops in Chicago, Boston, Austin, among other cities. The tour will conclude on September 29. Legendary Nights is scheduled to feature Future, YG Mustard, and Meg Thee Stallion. Hawker Summer. Meek Mill recently teamed up with Jay-Z to bring Meek's Dream Chasers label into the Roc Nation fold. The two signed papers on Tuesday in New York City in front of a small media gathering at Roc Nation's Midtown headquarters. Holding the title of President of Dream Chasers, a joint venture with Roc Nation, Meek Mill will oversee the label and build a staff to sign and develop artists. The label will also handle its own operations, creative strategy, marketing, and business affairs. Meek is also planning to open a recording studio for use by the label's artists. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.